So since then we have not got any supplies from any kind of department or from any kind of government, and we like especially there is a big shortage of water. I think the government should first listen, sit down and talk and listen properly what their demands and grievances are.
So my first and foremost appeal is that to the government, state government and the Indian government, please solve the problem peacefully without any having conflict between one community to the other community. So sometimes like we don't get, only today we get food and yesterday night we get food. We have been spending here for 3 days. So we are getting 2 times food.
जल्द से जल्द जो सुविधा होगा वो करके कंट्रोल करो. यही अभी असम राइफल है, इसे ज़्यादा आने दो. इंडिया का जो रिपीट फोर्स एक है वो आकर हम लोग को सब संभालो. वो लोग भी संभालो, हम लोग भी संभालो. हम लोग को सब तकलीफ दे रहा है. तो यहाँ हम लोग माइनॉरिटी है, माइनॉरिटी को इतना तकलीफ मत दो. हम लोग का हाथ में चाकू मार रहा है, दाव मार रहा है. इसीलिए ये खून खराबा जल्दी छोड़ो.
Amid ongoing tensions in Manipur, operations by security forces to rescue civilians continue across all communities. The conflict has resulted in thousands of people being left homeless and stranded at various shelter camps across the state. With their struggles left unheard, all the refugees can do is wait for the situation to get back to normal as they appeal for peace to be restored.
I'm right now at the DC complex in Churachandpur, where close to 4,000 people have been kept here. Let me remind you that these are the people who have been evacuated from places, different localities in Churachandpur district, and more people have been brought in just moments ago today. Close to 200 people have been brought in after they were rescued from various localities. Now those staying here are from the Meiteis community, and they have been evacuated over the past 3 days. Many of them are struggling because there's lack of ration, there's a lack of drinking water, and they are agitated because they want to go back home and want the situation to calm down at the earliest.
Among the major concerns are the lack of sufficient drinking water, food supplies and medical assistance for those in need.
We have arrived, I think it was yesterday before morning, around approximately 2:30 a.m. So since then we have not got any supplies from any kind of department or from any kind of government, and we like especially there is a big shortage of water, drinking water especially. So people and the Meiteis community right now here in this complex is around 2,500 or maybe more than that. And according to sources, there are some in the BSF campus also, and some other in other places. I think the government should first listen, sit down and talk and listen properly what their demands and grievances are. So if it's possible, then okay, they should go on, and if not, then they'll see problems in world is always, there's always a solution for that. So I hope and I think that there can be solution for this also. So it all needs to be sit down properly and discussed.
So my first and foremost appeal is that to the government, state government and the Indian government, please solve the problem peacefully without any having conflict between one community to the other community. That's all.
And like there are also a lot of women, also elder people who are living here, a lot of children also who are here, and they are also in other camps as well.
Yeah.
So it's the people who are facing the problems, right? So what do you think should the government do? The first step should be for the government.
According to me, the first step which the government should take is that especially like those who are in the relief camp, they should look after their like what they are eating, what they are not eating. But out here, what we are saying is that it's not like a normal thing. Okay, so sometimes like we don't get, only today we get food and yesterday night we get food. We have been spending here for 3 days, so we are getting 2 days, 2 times food. That's all.
कि जब भी ऐसा वायलेंस होता है तो जो कॉमन लोग हैं वो लोग सबसे ज़्यादा अफेक्ट होते हैं, तो आपका गवर्नमेंट के लिए क्या मैसेज होगा सो दैट कि ये वायलेंस मतलब जल्द से जल्द जो भी टेंशन है जल्द से जल्द सॉल्व हो?
ये तो हम भगवान का नाम पे इतना जल्दी हो सके गवर्नमेंट ने क्यों, क्योंकि देरी होता है वही यही हो रहा है। जल्द से जल्द जो सुविधा होगा वो करके कंट्रोल करो। यही अभी असम राइफल आए, इसे ज़्यादा आने दो। इंडिया का जो रिपीट फोर्स एक है वो आकर हम लोग को सब संभालो, वो लोग भी संभालो, हम लोग भी संभालो, वही ठीक होगा। इंसान जब वो हम लोग एक बार पैदा हुआ है, ये मरने के लिए क्यों पैदा हुआ? यही बीमारी आते तो मरने के ठीक है। इंसान को भगवान का नाम पे हम लोग कलंक मत करना चाहिए। जो भगवान को जानो, किसी को खून और आग सब हम लोग का सामान खराब कर रहा है, हम लोग को सब तकलीफ दे रहा है। तो यहाँ हम लोग माइनॉरिटी है, माइनॉरिटी को इतना तकलीफ मत दो। इसलिए भगवान का नाम में आप लोग सब जानो, जल्दी से ये ख़त्म हो जाओ। गवर्नमेंट भी और पब्लिक भी ये मेरे पास से बोल रहा रिक्वेस्ट है।
दूसरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में जो दूसरे जगह में भी सेम कंडीशन है, जहाँ पे सिमिलर कंडीशन है, आपका क्या मैसेज होगा उन लोगों?
मैं वो लोग को बोल रहा है ये करके हम लोग बाद में कुछ नहीं मिलना नहीं है। हम लोग का हाथ में चाकू मार रहा है, दाव मार रहा है, इसीलिए ये खून खराबा जल्दी छोड़ो।
As of the latest reports, close to 23,000 civilians have been moved to various shelter camps across the state.
So close to 200 people have been brought in to this to the DC complex here, where those evacuated from various areas in Churachandpur over the past 3 days. This is just one location where those from different communities have been evacuated over the past few days. There are several other camps set up in parts of several districts across the state with similar condition. However, from the people we have spoken to over here, they have only one message to share, that the situation should come back to normal at the earliest, and the government should take right measures to bring peace and normalcy to the state. With camera person Mukut Meiteis, I am Kalyan Dev reporting for EastMojo from Churachandpur in Manipur.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EastMojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.